Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete your Shoppay account. To delete your Shoppay account, the process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video right away. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and then go to the URL box and type in shop.app and search. Now once you get to the official website for Shop, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, go to the upper right hand corner and click on your profile name. Now click on Settings in the pop-up. Enter your email address in order to verify your account when prompted and click Continue. We may also go through this CAPTCHA. Go ahead and complete it if prompted as well. And then, after you're inside this account interface, click on the Help drop-down. Now from the options, select Visit our FAQ section, scroll all the way down and under Browse all our categories, click on Manage your Shop account option. Right under Learn how to manage settings in the app, click on Delete your Shop account. And if you're using the Shop application, you can go ahead and follow through the instructions given on the page. If you want to continue deleting your account on a web browser, select this link at the bottom of the screen and then enter your current email address in the text box on the next page. Once you delete your account, Shoppay will not remember your info such as your email, phone number, order and delivery history. Finally, click on Submit Request and you will then be able to delete your Shoppay account. So that is how you can easily delete your Shoppay account if you no longer wish to continue using it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.